Hey Gripsters, super quick one today. Maintenance wash on time warp, then products used at the end. I thank you. So guys, we're just doing this with the built-in microphone. I'm not mic'd up because the speed is off the essence today. Lots to do, lots of stuff to get on with. Okay, so quickly, what did we use on this super quick maintenance wash? Well, the sort of a pre-wash was used. We used a diluted Biltamba Surfix HD. For the snow foam phase, we used Alien Magic Blue with their new foam cannon. We then did the wheels using Biltamba Auto Wheel. Alright, so first time using that, really good. Okay, then went on to the shampoo, which was Shelby's shampoo, tried and tested. Right, and the final sort of phase, we used Chemical Guys Speed Wipe. This is really good drying aid and puts a really nice gloss on your paintwork at the end. All right, but like I said, we primarily use this as a drying aid. Other bits we used is the Clay Cloth Company's Quick Connect trigger gun. Okay. Selection of wheel brushes from Slim's Detailing, and all the cloths, microfibers and drying towels were from the Clay Cloth Company, so good mix of products there. I'll quickly whiz the camera around, okay, and that's it for today. So tomorrow we will be starting in anger at the testing of the snow foam cannons, so exciting times.